I love our strapline, science-led, agronomy-driven. We live and breathe this. So if we look first at the agronomy-driven side, we're owned by a large agri-inputs-outputs business. And this gives us a unique ability to listen very closely to farmers and growers about the challenges that they're facing in crop production. But equally, and just as important, to listen also to the end user about the challenges that they're facing around their Scope 3 or ESG commitments. The second side of that is then to align that to a science-led approach where we take these opportunities or challenges that are facing people and we look for solutions.
Working for a company which is science-led is really important, particularly with biostimulants because they generate so many questions from growers, and you want to be able to answer those questions with conviction, with confidence, and the only way you can do that is if you've got 5 to 8 years worth of work that has gone on beforehand to prove the mode of action, to understand the molecule inside out, to know its limitations, but also to give advice on how to maximise return on investment when using our products.
The science is important because there are a lot of products on the market that haven't necessarily got the scientific background and the trials and the data to support the claims that are on the labels. So at Intracrop, we really delve into the science behind our products, delving into the mode of action and making sure that we have the data and the trials results to back our claims on our products.
The first step in our science-led approach is to conduct a thorough literature review around the science. Does this actually make sense to us? The second step is the proof of concept stage. So we're repeating the studies in different universities or contract research organisations and showing repeatability in the results. The third stage then is to take the products into field trials. We conduct 2 types of field trials. One would be a tramline trial with a farmer or grower where we're applying 24-metre boom widths down the field and replicating that and then taking the yield data from the combine. And then we conduct the traditional small plot replicated field trial with independent universities and contract research organisations, showing repeatability in the results.
In 2023, we had about 115 trials across the world, in Europe, but also in Canada, Morocco, South Korea. We're always testing in different climates on different crops.
Science-led means that we've done due diligence in developing the mode of action, peer-reviewed papers, proof of concept studies in the glasshouse. Agronomy-driven is then taking that to a practical scenario. These products have to work on farm, they have to be fully compatible with crop protection products. They've got to be relatively easy to use, and we've got to be able to provide agronomists and growers with clear data to back up our key claims and help them deliver maximum return on investment.
It's important for me that I work for a science-led company because it means that when I'm talking about our products and speaking to growers about our products, I've got the confidence in our products because I know the rigorous development process they've been through. We don't rush that. It can take up to 9 years from proof of concept through to launch. And I have the data there to show to growers how our products work, and I have the proof that supports the claims on the label.
At Intracrop, we're really transparent in terms of sharing data. We fully support the new FPR EU biostimulant regulations, and all of our core technologies are going through the process, which means that whatever claims we have on our label are now backed up with replicated trial data to statistical significance.
Very simply for Intracrop, if we've made a statement, there is a trial to back up that claim.